everybody, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dishon King. Today I'm going to be sharing you guys a couple secrets of what I've been using on my skin lately to get the texture of my skin to look very smooth and also have no acne. Over the past couple of months, I've been using a couple products that I'm really excited to be putting y'all onto. So if you're interested, just continue watching. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on my post notifications so you don't miss out on the next time that I upload a video. Today's video is in partnership with Banish. Thank you so much for Banish for sponsoring today's video. I have a set of products that I want to show you guys what I've been using on my skin. So if you're someone that has been struggling with acne and texture on your skin and you're not quite sure what works for you, you've tried everything, why not try microneedling at home? Now this is something that I was skeptical myself when I first heard about it, but I was like, why don't I just give it a try out the products? And I actually fell in love with the products that I was using. Also, as some of you know, I've actually been traveling, so I've been away from my house for a while, so I've been taking some of these products with me on the go. They're very convenient and very travel friendly. So I have in front of me the Banishing Kit 2.0. They have different kits on their website, but this kit in particular includes a microneedling tool that you can press down on your skin. It also includes a vitamin C cream. It also comes with a Banish oil that you put on your skin after applying your moisturizer. A lot of people don't know that oils are actually sealants. So when you are moisturizing your skin, the last thing that you should be putting on your face is an oil, because an oil seals in moisture. Oil does not hydrate your skin, it seals in the moisture of your skin to solidify long-lasting hydration. So whatever you put under your skin, you should make sure that oil goes on last. Personally, what I've been using the oil for is by applying oil underneath my eyes after eye cream for my nighttime routine. Banish also has some additional products that you can use with the set that can make the results of your skin look very, very clear really quickly. And of course, with every sponsorship, I'm gonna find y'all a way to save some bones. So make sure you use my code Dishon at checkout to save $5 off your purchase. So the first step that I use in my Banish skincare routine is the cleanser that they sent me, the All Clear Mint Cleanser. So this actually foams up really nicely, but it does not over dry my skin. That's what I really like about it. It includes organic vegetable glycerin, which helps with the retexturizing of your skin, and it also is a natural exfoliant. I like using it with my Clarisonic spin brush. I actually just did this in a vlog about a couple seconds ago. You guys will see that next week in my next weekly vlog. I have been using these products for the past month just because I've ran out of my regular stuff, and I wanted to make sure that I thoroughly try the products for the sponsorship today to make sure that I really like it, and I'm actually very satisfied with everything that I've tried. I think my favorite thing about it, aside from the cleanser not over drying my skin, is the fact that it is also very travel friendly. You can take this with you on a flight, on the go, like how I am right now. I'm not home right now, I'm at my dad's house because my dad is getting married this weekend. I wanted to make sure that I had enough products with me on the go so that I'm not overpacking or weighing down my suitcase. So if you're ever looking for travel size friendly skincare, Banish is the brand for you. And another very important detail, all of these products are actually vegan, paraben, and cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals being in these products. Everything is naturally derived so that your skin can get the best results. So after applying the cleanser, then you can go in with the actual Banish microneedling tool. Now this is the key to getting my skin very smooth over the past month. Now the microneedling tool has very, very fine needles that you can use to press directly down on your skin after cleansing. Now of course you want to be very careful when using this. You don't want to press too hard, and you don't want to rub the needles on your skin, and you don't want to make sure that you're damaging your surface levels. I like to pull up on my skin and apply the actual microneedling tool as I go across. Now for me, I'm only red for like a few minutes after using this, and then I apply the pumpkin enzyme mask. Now this enzyme mask is actually really good after creating the microchannels on your skin using the microneedling tool. The pumpkin enzyme mask will then also seep down into your pores so that it can brighten and lift any scarring or dark spots from underneath. I am actually very familiar with this technique. As some of you know, I used to work in a med spa, and one of the facials included was an enzyme mask. Microneedling treatments at a spa or to an esthetician can cost you anywhere between $300 to $400, and why not have that kind of treatment at home for like a quarter of the price? The pumpkin enzyme mask is actually my favorite product. Even when I'm not using the microneedling tool, I'll still use it as a mask in my nighttime routine just because I really like how it has strong brightening properties. When you apply the mask after the microneedling tool, you are going to feel just a little bit of a tingly sensation When you create small microchannels in your skin using the microneedling tool, it allows the products that you put on top of it to seep really deep down into your pores to correct any dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles, and anything that needs correction on your skin. After washing the pumpkin enzyme mask off, then I can go in with the fighter gel. Now sometimes I'll use this as a day moisturizer just because I like the clear bouncy consistency, and you can also apply this over active acne because this actually helps with reducing the inflammation on your skin as well. So this is the gel-like bouncy consistency. It is actually kind of just like a clear jello-like structure, and I actually like it because it doesn't make my skin feel very heavy when I apply it on my skin. I'm actually going to put just a little bit on right now because I just got out of the shower and I did my skincare routine. I'm going to be going outside for the day. You can also use this as a spot treatment since it helps with inflammation. As you see right here, I have a little bit of a spot right there that I've been working on reducing, and I want to make sure that that is down by tomorrow. Since tomorrow is a very big day, I want to make sure that all of my little spots are taken care of. I'm also just going to dab some of that underneath my eyes just to reduce some of the puffiness on there too, because it's very early still and I just woke up. After applying the fighter gel, you can also go in with the vitamin C cream. As discussed earlier, this can be used before you actually apply the Banish oil on top of your skin. So this actually will help with brightening and also smoothing the skin. I still have quite a bit of this product because you really do not need much. That's another thing that I like about this. I use about this much of this product when I put it on because you really don't need to get a whole bunch. As I'm talking about this, I want to put some of this on my neck because I like using this as a way to pre-moisturize before I put on lotion too. Sometimes when I'm out in the sun for a long time, especially being down in Florida, the sun can cause some discoloration and make my neck up darker than the rest of my skin tone. So what I kind of do to reverse that is by doing whatever I use on my face, I use on my neck as well. And even if you're not in a hot climate, anything that you do to your face, you should be doing on your neck because your neck is also part of your skin. The most important thing when you're using the microneedling tool is also apply SPF. Now this is the Defender Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. I recommend this for people that also have darker skin because it actually goes on invisible and it does not leave that purple white cast and make you look like a ghost, which I really do like. That was one important thing that I was making sure that did not happen when I was first trying this product. SPF is something that you should be using every day. Just like how you put on underwear every day when you're getting dressed, you should be putting on SPF because that is how you protect your skin. It doesn't matter if you live in a cold climate, it doesn't matter if you're just going out for a few minutes. You should always make sure you have sunscreen on, especially when you're using these products. Not wearing SPF can interfere with the results that you get from the product, so make sure you're protecting your skin. If you have acne scarring or any dark spots on your skin, the sun can actually make those dark spots worse if you don't protect your skin using SPF. And that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos the second that they drop. If you want to binge watch any more of my content, make sure you click that little playlist above. Thank you again to Banish for sponsoring today's video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.